G'day, it's Aaron here from Mayfair Plumbing. Today I want to talk to you about a fairly common, little easy to fix problem I get called out to quite a bit, and that is, why do my plumbing drains stink? Well, it's a good question and it's actually quite an easy fix. So what you're going to notice is typically this problem's coming from a bathroom. You're going to have a shower and maybe a floor trap, a little grate in the middle of the room. Now, these are where I'm finding most of the odours are coming from typically, and it's quite easy to fix. So what you want to do is, hopefully you're able to remove these little grates out of the shower, unscrew them or just wiggle them out, and same as the one in the middle of the bathroom if you've got one. Take them out. Right, first job done. Then you need to get some of this gear. This is like a bit of a bleach, and we sort of use it to clean up this smell. So what you're doing is, you've got the grate out, you want to protect the floor. So you want to make sure, any chrome surfaces, any nice tiles have got a rag or a cloth down, just in case you spill a bit of this gear. If you've had anything to do with it, you'll certainly know what I'm talking about. One little bit on your top or whatever, bang, it's gone white. So what you want to do is carefully squirt this in and let it run down the riser shaft. Now, you want to do this in the shower and in the floor trap in the middle of the room. What we're trying to do here is eliminate the buildup of soap scum or bacteria or anything like that that's gone down that shaft or come back up at maybe when you let the bath out. You know what I'm talking about. You let the bath out and a whole heap of soap suds come out the ground. Well, that just runs back down that riser pipe and stays there. And so what I'm finding is that over time it builds up, and every time you have a shower and you let warm water back down that pipe, it activates that bacteria and soap scum and creates these foul odours in the room. So by doing this process first, we're sort of allowing a lot of that build up to come off. And then what I'm finding to be pretty helpful is like a little pressurised water vessel like this. So what you want to do is fill it up with warm water. It doesn't have to be hot, just has to be warm water, just straight out the hot tap at the home. Put a bit of that in here, pressurise it, and then squirt this inside and let it run down the riser shaft, washing away what we've previously put in there. So then you're probably saying, well, hey, we're probably halfway through the process now. We've done the cleaning. But what we want to do is we want to leave a nice smell in the air. Most people aren't going to be a fan of this odour that comes from this particular product. So what I like to do is leave a little happy scent in the room, and that's by using something like this. So what you'll see here is this one's called a lavender fragrance, but I know you can get eucalyptus, and I'm certain there's probably others around. And what I like to then do is still make sure we've got the protection on the floor, but carefully tip some of this down the riser shaft afterwards, and it just leaves a nice pleasant smell in the room and just washes away any more sort of build-up of any germs that may still be lingering around. And then you want to just clean up and put the grates back on. Then after that, you can turn the taps on and just wash all that away, and it will do its thing, and you'll be back to business with nice, fresh smelling drains again. So look, most of these products here, I think you'll find at just your local supermarket, hardware store, places like that. And once again, with this pressure bottle, yeah, certainly to find it maybe at your supermarkets, but certainly at your hardware store, all off the shelf type of gear. I mean, you're probably going to be paying, $3, $4, $5 for a bottle of this gear, and similar sort of money for this. So it's not an expensive exercise, but it's something I find, is very useful, and we're getting good results using this method. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and be certain to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.